Okay, welcome to Swim Bike Run Speeds. I'm going to show you a little bit about it and how to use it. Just click into here. You can see that I've already added a user. You can actually edit the user by clicking Edit and the little teal button here. You can add a profile picture or use one of the defaults. Change your name, gender, birthday, and weight. These three values are used during the calculation of the calories. So you can change those here. Click on Save. To add a user, just click on the menu, or you can just drag the menu over in certain windows. Click on Add User, just add the user here. To delete a user, click on the Delete here. So getting into the workouts, to add a workout, you can click on Add Workout here, or go to your history list and add workout. So I'm going to go from the menu. Here you have a few details about your workout. There's three options. For swim, bike, run, there's a swim, bike, or run. Pretty obvious. As you select different workouts, you can change your activities. These are some set activities, or you can add your own activity and just type it in. Click on Done, and it'll set your activity here. If you keep on adding new activities, those will all be saved and you can get them from that custom window. Start and end time of your workout. As you change this, it'll change the time, total time for your workout down here. Calculator, there's a few different calculators, pretty obvious what they do. Based on what you select, it'll calculate those things. So if you want to calculate your time and pace, just click on here. You can see that time and pace is in red. So you could add in distance and speed and calculate those two. So if I add in 11 miles and 11 miles an hour, it'll calculate my time and pace. If I wanted my speed and pace, you can see that speed and pace is in red now. I'll just change my distance a little bit. You can see that changes. Also, you can change the units by clicking on the unit. Those in meters, and those are pretty standard throughout all workouts. If you have a certain event that you usually do, you can click on event and it'll pre-populate that distance for you. Okay. Calories is calculated by this calculation down here. So if you click on heart rate, you can put in this is the pre-populated what you put on for your user, but then you have the max heart rate calculator. There's a few different here, just basically calculating your max heart rate. This is a calculated value here, that's why it's in red. But you can put in your own value and it'll stay there for you. So for the average heart rate calculator, it has a few different calculations there. It uses either intensity or your heart rate resting heart rate to calculate that. And then you can see that these values are being automatically generated for you. So click on Save. You can see that your average and max is set, and your calories is currently set. So that's intensity. That could change as you go. Every workout you put in, you can put in your new average heart rate, and then that'll basically, you can track that as you put in workouts. Also, you can put in your weight, and you can track that through the graphs as well. Next is location. Basically, set your location and then sets your elevation. Pretty simple stuff. If you want to change the pin, you can actually just hold and drop the pin, or you can search for your location here. And it'll actually get the altitude for you as you save workouts, your history will be here, so you can easily get to your other locations. Change the map style, press this little tree, and then you can change your elevation by feet and meters just by this little button. To go back to where you were, just click the arrow. Take it a while because it's in the simulator. Just come back. Alright. Click Save. It'll give you your location there. So if you want the weather for your location, just click on that. It'll give you everything you need. These are all editable fields, but if you want to change the type of temperature, just click on the type of temperature. Wherever you see an arrow, those are basically can be changed, so you can see how I'm doing it there. Click on save, show you your temperature there. Elevation, that was pulled in from the location. You can change your total gain and total loss here, and change how it's being calculated, leave it at feet and meters. Adding notes, pretty easy. Notes here, done. See all your workout details has been set. Click save. See your swims there. To edit a workout, just click that workout there. To get to the list of workouts, just click list, and then you can edit. To delete a workout, click edit, and you can delete it that way. Okay. As you add new workouts, you can filter the workouts by, you can sort the workouts by this, and then you can filter by sort or date. Clearly refine or clear that out. To export your history, just click on the little action button. This will send you an SVG, basically an Excel file of all your information by comment delimited format. Calculator, this is just a static calculator, kind of what's in the adding workout stuff, but you can just basically mess around and manipulate your workout that way. Split will actually calculate how many splints you need for a certain time and distance. So if you're 100 miles, you can see your split. And this is also exportable to email. Okay. So we talked about list, pretty simple, just a list of your workouts. Calendar will actually show the list of your calendars. There's a couple. This does swipe, so you can swipe between the months up or down. If you want to get a three-week view, you can click on the date. If you ever want to go back to a more detailed view, go back to months or years, and switch between years. If you ever want to get back to your current date, just click on the little calendar app. Also, you can sort here by sport. Okay. Add-ons will actually bring up the add-ons because it's similar. It doesn't really work that well, but there you can actually add on more users, more workouts. Get basically a full version of the app. I recommend doing that. Calories, this is what you see from your workouts, so you can kind of manipulate your calories here. As you change your weight, maybe if you want to track your weight, you can actually do that here. I didn't go over the major part of this. As you adding workouts, you can actually, let me just add one more workout so you can get kind of a reference point. But you basically need two points to make a graph. So go on graph. See, you can have workouts. So as you tap, it'll show you the distance and the date on top. You can change the graph as well. So let's say you're tracking your weight. You can see your weight fluctuate between each workout. Pretty cool. There's two different things. There's the upper graph and then the lower graph. You have the same thing here. So you can actually have none. So that you'll see down here the bar is your data grid. You can see the bar graph down there. And also you can filter here just like in the list or the counter. Decimal points. So each one of these records has a different decimal point value, so you can set those defaults here. History refined, it's what you saw before. So this is global history refined. So if you set it one place, it's going to set it everywhere. Easy. So help, comment, rate, share, all those. Those are pretty simple to figure out. If you have any questions, please go to the help section and email or contact via our website. So if you have any questions, please let us know. I hope you love the app. We worked hard on it, and it was a big step from version 2.0. So hopefully you like it and you use it a lot. Thank you.